We'll guide you through how to make a Spotify playlist. Let's get right into this. Spotify playlists are a great way of getting all your music together, so I'll show you two different ways for how you can go and create them. The first way is simply by going to the bottom of Spotify and then going and clicking on your library like this. And in the Your Library page, what you then need to do is just go to the top right and go and tap on the plus or create button. And there we go. You can then go and name your playlist. I'll name it Hi, then tap create like this. And it will then open it up, and then what you can do is go and add to this playlist. So I can go and click here like this, and I can then go and start adding music by pressing the plus button on the right hand side. Then once you finish, just press on the cross in the top left, and as you can see, we've now started to add music to this playlist. The other way you can do it is just by finding a song. I'll go and search for a song. For example, I type in Drake like this. I'll come across a song like this one here, Nice for What. Click on it, then press on the three dots to the right of the heart button, and what I can do is press on add to playlist, and I can either go and add it to an existing playlist or just go and tap on new playlist and go and create another one. I can name it LOL like that, press create, and just like that we've now gone and created some playlists.